Have you ever wondered how to play the ukulele? Well, you're in luck! This is Jolene's guide to how to play the ukulele. So let's get started. When you're learning the ukulele, you need to know 4 basic chords. After you nail the 4 chords, try practicing the strumming patterns. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. When you have both the strumming pattern and the 4 chords memorized, you can start learning new songs, which is super exciting. Some of the first songs that I learned on the ukulele are July by Cyrus. So tell me to leave, I'll pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling, I know. Riptide by Advanced Joy. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. And Party Favor by Billie Eilish. Hey, call me back when you get this, or when you got a minute. We really need to talk. Wait, you know what? Maybe just forget it, 'cause by the time you get this, your number might be blocked. And so yeah, that was my guide to how to play the ukulele. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the near future. Bye-bye!